Hello, everyone. Welcome to this webinar by Debutify. My name is Marie, and I'm here to talk to you guys about how to launch an e-commerce brand. And this time, we're going to dive deeper into logistics. This is one part of our webinar series called How to Start an E-commerce Brand. So if you want an overview or if you want to know more about the different aspects of launching your own e-commerce brand, you should check up on those webinars up on our website as well. Before we start, let me just give you a brief overview of the importance of e-commerce logistics. Simply put, e-commerce logistics is the process of managing and organizing the flow of goods from the manufacturer to the customer. And the purpose of this webinar is also to help aspiring business owners like you understand the fundamentals of e-com logistics and how you can use things like third-party logistics or 3PLs to improve your fulfillment process. So let's start by discussing the key components of e-commerce logistics. There are four main components of e-commerce logistics. First is inventory management. The next one is order fulfillment. Third is shipping, and fourth is returns. Each component is crucial to the overall success of your e-commerce business. It's important to have a solid logistics strategy in place because it can make or break your e-commerce brand. A good logistics strategy ensures that your products are always in stock and your orders are fulfilled in a timely manner. And of course, products are delivered to customers on time. And one of the biggest challenges that e-com business owners face with logistics is actually meeting customer expectations. Customers expect fast and reliable shipping, and any delays or mishaps can lead to negative reviews. And we don't want that, right? So this also gives a loss in your business. And this is where a 3PL or a third-party logistics provider can really come in handy. So let's talk about 3PLs and their benefits for e-com fulfillment. A 3PL is a third-party logistics service provider that specializes in warehousing, order fulfillment, and shipping. By using a third-party logistics, e-commerce business can outsource their entire logistics process, which allows them to focus on other aspects of their business. One of the key benefits of using a 3PL is that they can help businesses achieve next-day or two-day shipping. This is important because customers expect fast shipping, and businesses that can't keep up will just lose out on sales. I personally would choose, whenever I shop, would choose something that can give me the delivery in 2 or 3 days. And 3PLs can also provide valuable data and insights for business growth. By using logistical software, businesses can get real-time aspects and real-time insights for every aspect of their e-commerce fulfillment, from inventory management to warehouse management. Another benefit of using a 3PL is that they can improve return processes and make it easier for businesses to handle returns. As I mentioned earlier, returns are a logistical nightmare for e-com businesses, but 3PLs can help businesses streamline their return process and ensure that it's running smoothly. Finally, 3PLs offer scalability benefits for e-commerce businesses. As your business grows, you'll need to expand your logistics network anyway to keep up with demand. By using a 3PL, you can tap into their established relationships with suppliers and regional carriers and manufacturers, which can help you scale your business quickly and efficiently. Let's move on to software automation. You might be wondering, what is software automation? Why is it here in this webinar? But the thing is, this is very important and it can help you with your e-com businesses so much. And let me break it down a little bit for you guys. First, let's talk about the software automation provided by 3PLs. This software simplifies the logistics process and provides data and real-time insights on every aspect of e-commerce fulfillment. This is particularly helpful for businesses that are growing rapidly and just need to keep up with the increased demands. With software automation, you can streamline processes and save time by having orders automatically processed and labels printed and tracking information just updated right away. And you can keep an eye on inventory levels as well and receive alerts when stock is running low. Another benefit of using software automation is that it helps with warehouse management and recycling or return processes. You can easily track where your products are located in the warehouse and making it easier for you to fulfill orders quickly. Additionally, you can streamline the recycling and return processes, which can be time-consuming and frustrating for many e-com businesses. Okay, so now let's just talk a little bit about how to optimize your supply chain step by step. We've covered already what supply chain is, but so you should know that this is a very important topic because optimizing your supply chain can help you reduce costs, improve efficiency, and provide a better customer experience. So first, assemble the right team of partners for e-commerce logistics. This includes 3PLs, freight carriers, and even other vendors that are crucial to your supply chain. Choose partners that align with your values and are committed to providing excellent service. Second, focus on meeting customer expectations. This means providing fast and reliable shipping, accurate product information, and just easy returns. By meeting these expectations, you can just really build a loyal customer following and a loyal customer base, and of course, improve your reputation in the industry. Finally, my best advice for optimizing your supply chain step by step is to always be willing to learn and adapt, especially with new tech coming in. Keeping up with the industry trends and changes in consumer behavior is very, very crucial. So continuously look for ways to improve your processes and just stay ahead of the competition. So to wrap things up, well, I hope this webinar has been helpful in giving you a better understanding of e-com logistics. But remember, a solid logistics strategy is very, very crucial to when you're launching your e-com business. And in case you missed anything, let me just give you a quick recap of the key takeaways from the webinar. First, e-com logistics is important, of course. Second, use 3PLs. 3PLs can help you achieve next day or 2-day shipping and provide valuable data and insights for business growth. Next is to use software automation, which can simplify the logistics process and provide real-time insights. And of course, to assemble the right team of partners for e-com logistics. Focus on meeting customer expectations and be always willing to learn. And of course, guys, don't forget, Debutify has other webinars. I've told you again already this one, and that you might really find very helpful when you launch your e-com brand. Plus, if you go to our website now, we offer a 14-day free trial so you can see for yourself how Debutify can help you grow your business. So thank you so much for joining me today. It's been a pleasure sharing this information with you guys. Remember, keep hustling, never give up on your e-com dreams. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on our website or on our social media channels. We're always here to support you. I'll see you again in our next webinar.